Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Dodge Dart window switch. First, make sure you have your new switch ready, along with a trim removal tool and a Phillips head screwdriver. Safety is key, so begin by disconnecting the negative battery terminal. This simple step prevents any electrical issues while you work on your vehicle. Let's get started. Now, with your trim removal tool, carefully pry up the trim piece surrounding the window switch on your door panel. Be gentle to avoid damaging the plastic. Once the trim is loose, you'll see the electrical connector. Disconnect this by pressing the tab and pulling it free. Finally, remove any screws that secure the old switch, allowing you to lift it out. With the old switch out, it's time to install the new one. First, connect the electrical harness to your new window switch, ensuring it clicks securely into place. Then, position the new switch and reinsert any screws you removed earlier to hold it firmly. Finally, carefully align the door panel trim and gently press it back into place until it snaps securely. You're almost done. Before you finish up, reconnect the negative battery terminal to restore power to your vehicle. Now, test all the window functions to make sure your new switch is working perfectly. Operate each window up and down several times. If everything is smooth, you've successfully replaced your switch. For more great tips and deals, including a link for Little Tree's black ice to keep your car smelling fresh, check the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.